Any immediate benefits from the training that you guys have noticed or seen?
Well, okay, so what's been really interesting is even since the assessment, so when people could see what some of the other areas were actually doing, there was already interest expressed by the team on some of the additional layers. Once having performed the training, I've noticed that there is a distinct desire to solve problems that are not, it's not necessarily, I don't want to say it's outside of the gambit, they are always welcome to solve the problem, but there's definitely been a keen interest in problems that are not necessarily going to land on their desk, if that makes sense. Yeah. So there's been, especially the guys doing visualization have started working a lot on the data load areas, the actual pipeline builds, the data types, trying to solve for delivery of information to the stakeholder. And then in addition to that, the slightly higher level training that was performed, the manner in which some of our meetings have been approached, and I've noticed this with regard to other managers in the space or other team leads, the documentation being presented or the strategy being employed for information gathering has slightly altered. There's been a few additional pointers raised in meetings which normally aren't covered. So in some cases, like for instance, what visualization would you like to see? You get what I'm saying. Like sometimes people start just visualizing without any real idea of what might be being requested. And so
kind of digging more into the context.
Yes, it's been very interesting. Yeah, so been seeing some extensive documentation being performed in a meeting and key questions being asked, which then I realized once doing the elite training, I was like, okay, I see what's going on here. Yeah. I understand what's happening. So it's definitely, I think that people have taken it on board. Like I say, it's up to the individual, and they are very keen on building their skill sets and maintaining that elite status. Yeah. So it's been really good.
Behavioral changes definitely.
Yeah, absolutely.
Seen as a result.
Absolutely. And a lot of passion. Like I said, a lot of interest, a lot of, some of them are a little bit upset that they didn't get to do the elite training. They're like, I really feel that I'm here, but yes, you will get to do it too. We've had to sort of
crawl before.
Yeah, we're going to prepare them for next year's sessions and stuff like that. So when this is ongoing, definitely not finished, and I believe that we hope to expand it into the larger community.